Today we replaced the windshield wipers on a Toyota Camry. It's the same from 2018 to 2025. And as always, the links for parts and tools used in this video will be in the description, or click the cards when they pop up on the top right of the screen. Notice on these Toyota Camrys, while in the closed position, you won't be able to lift the wiper arms high enough because the hood is on top of the hinge part of the wiper arm. So to replace the wiper blades, we'll have to position the wipers in replacement mode. To do that, first we need to turn the vehicle ignition on. After a few seconds, turn it off. And within 45 seconds, push the wiper lever up. After holding it for a few seconds, the wiper arms should go up and stay facing up. In this position, we now clear the hood as we lift the arms away from the windshield and can easily change the wipers. Now, while holding the wiper arm, if you still have the original brackets from the Toyota factory, pry the top lever open here. Then on the inside bottom, find this clip, and while pressing it, simply pull the bracket down like this and it will slide right off. The new set has one blade measuring 26 inches for the driver's side and 20 inches for the passenger side. We're starting with the 26 inch on the driver's side. Now this new set we purchased is a bit different on the latch. Bobby will explain.
Different. So this one's got on both sides, you have to squeeze it. You squeeze it, pop it open.
All right.
There's no kind of clip back piece with a clip like the other one had, right?
Under here, there's
yeah.
no clip.
You don't even go to the back on this one.
This one
slides on through here. Then you're gonna press all the way to the back and slide up. When it slides up, this holds it in place. So if you want to come this way more, you can see that right here. It opens and it hugs around when it closes, and then this locks it into place.
perfect.
And then it's done.
With the second one, I'm not going to bore you. It's going to be the same thing. Very simple. The only difference is it's a shorter wiper.
Last thing is to return the wipers in the down position. We just turn the ignition on and simply push up the wiper lever once, and the wiper blades will go back into the down position. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.